The Crown Styles Show, a celebration of head wraps. Welcome to the Crown Styles Show, a celebration woven with culture and fashion. Contestant Amara steps forward, a blooming flower of Ankara. Her confident sway reveals every dimension of her expressive style. This is fashion, bold, expressive, and ready to be seen. Next, Sade appears, glowing with the freshness of morning dew. Her wrap is simple, smooth, and tied low, framing her face like a masterpiece. Her natural beauty speaks volumes, needing no loud declaration. She embodies beauty, gentle, confident, and stunning simply by being. Finally, Chinwei enters, the queen of effortless lifestyle. Her crown fits perfectly for cooking, praying, working, or laughing. Each head wrap tells a story. Fashion shows who we are, beauty reveals how we feel. Lifestyle reminds us where we come from. This is the art carried in every crown.
We're syncing up our style in motion, a perfect wave across the screen, a digital and deep devotion. This is the look, a living dream. Glow with Gladys. Living dream. Chapter 1 begins with light and shade, a whole new world the tiny brush is made. We're syncing up our style in motion, a perfect wave across the screen, a digital and deep devotion. This is the look, a living dream. Living dream. Glow, glow with Gladys. We're syncing up our style in motion, a perfect wave.
Headwrap Party, Slay, Style and Shine Edition. Welcome to the Headwrap Party, where every queen ties her crown with confidence. Bright colors, bold patterns, and beautiful smiles. It's not just fashion, it's culture, identity, and pure vibe. We twist, tuck, wrap and slay together. Because when queens gather, crowns sparkle louder. Choose your wrap, choose your vibe. Let the beauty speak louder than words. Style meets sisterhood. It's a crown. And today, we celebrate it. Slay the day. Shine on.